Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe. Also, leave some comments below. That really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Now, without further ado, guys, I am going to give you some really good tips and rules to actually be making money in this oversaturated meme coin market full of shits and scams to where you can actually make money, okay? You can still make money, guys, but you have to understand that the rules have changed in 2025 dramatically, okay? And this is all thanks to this wonderful company called Pump Scum, aka Pump Fun, okay? Now, I went to ChatGPT and I posted up some stuff here, okay? So if you're brand new, you don't know what to do, you have under $1,000, okay, definitely join my free trading group that's on School and sign up with my Padre link so you can start trading, okay? But first off, you got to realize, guys, that most of these coins are all, I would say like 99.5% of these coins are pump and dumps, okay? So you got to realize something. Anything under 30 million market cap on Solana, it's basically getting attention for 1 to 4 days, okay? And then it fades, okay? There is no meta, guys. This whole meta bullshit that, some of these scummy influencers are coining, oh, it's the new meta. No, fuck that, guys. It's not the meta. All it is the attention rotation. And people nowadays, especially in crypto trading, they have the attention of a fucking fruit fly, okay? That is the attention span of a trader nowadays. Why? Because we have TikTok, we have, Instagram Reels, we have all this shit. Even on X, people are scanning, they're looking at stuff, they're getting these quick dopamine hits, right? Everybody basically has the attention of a fucking fruit fly or a goldfish. Unfortunately, it's not your fault, but this is all just done by design, okay? So look at all these coins, guys. Like, I'm just gonna give this one coin as an example, okay? This is at 7 million. Way too high, guys. Way too high. Terrible risk to reward. Terrible risk to reward ratio, okay? That's the first thing you need to ask yourself, okay? Any of these coins, you want to get in early, guys. You don't want to be on deck screen and find a coin. That's not how you get into a coin, okay? You get into a coin, I have to talk a lot about this, guys, but to get into a coin, just hop into my trading group, okay, which is free. But basically, I'm just going to cover the basics on this, and then if you want more information on how to settle this up, go into my trading group, okay, because this video could be very long. But the goal is you want to get in way down here, guys, way down here, okay, like all these KOLs. Okay, look at Xander. He made 100 grand in like 50 minutes, okay? And you can get all these addresses and wallets on ColdScan. Basically, you can see it like as a wave, okay? Huge wave. That's where you want to get in, guys. You want to be just like the KOLs. They get in wave 1, okay? You're going to know something here. Everyone's getting in. Everyone's making a shitload of money. Why are you not making a lot of money? Why are you not making a lot of money? It's because, number one, you're not tracking these wallets. You're not seeing these calls in the call groups. And you just don't know what the hell you're doing. So you can figure it out, guys. You can definitely crack the code. But you got to think of all these coins as pump and dumps. Even though this coin is sitting right here at 7 million, eventually this thing's going to die. Okay? The tension on this coin has been, let's see, it's only been like a day. So this one has some power possibly, but things could change fast. Personally, I wouldn't even touch the 10-foot pole. It's too late, guys. It's way too high. I mean, there's people that I got in this coin under 100K. So your goal as a trader is to get in and get out. Wave 1. I'll show you some examples. Okay, boom. 1, 2, out. Okay, another example. Dogenary. Same thing. Orangey made like 33K. A lot of Coles made money on this one, I think. Yeah, see, look at that. They're all out, guys. They're not holding shit. Okay? And once again, are you seeing the pattern here? It's a pattern, guys. It's just the same repeatable pattern. Okay? Wave 1, get in, get out. And see, this is what trapped a lot of people. It comes down here, right? Oh, it's going to the moon, guys. No, it's dead. Pump fake. So, the best risk reward, before I end this video, I don't want to go on and on. Your best R to R on meme coins is 100K or less. That's your best risk reward. Okay? And your best hold time for these coins, best holding times, depending on how much it's pumping, 60 minutes or less. And actually 60 minutes is way too long typically. Okay? So those two things alone gonna make you get way less wrecked. Okay, way less wrecked. You know, because the days of coins going like this are pretty much over, guys. You know, there's just way too many coins in the market. Nobody's holding coins, and it's never going to get better, guys, unless one of these launch platforms, you know, fixes that, or if Pump Fund raises the fees and says it's like $1,000 to launch a coin or something crazy. But until that happens, we're just going to keep having these pump and dumps, guys. You know, one wave coins, done. So if you're buying on this right side, if you see a big pump, okay, I'll give you an example. If you see a big pump, and what most people are doing is they're on X, they're scrolling through X, they're looking for their meta. Guys, when you're going through X, that's typically just people pumping their bags. That's all it is. People are just pumping their bags. That's all they're doing. Okay? So that's what you need to do. If you're struggling, if you're not making the money that you've been dreaming of trading meme coins, and you got sold a lie that you were supposed to get rich trading meme coins, join my meme coin mastery course, guys. Join my Padre link below, and I will help school you guys to make more money with this stuff. All right? I'll talk to you guys later.